Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here's another yarn unboxing today. Oh my goodness, today I received most of my packages. I don't know why, but this one I've been waiting for a month. Yes. So this one is from America, from the States. I'm on several groups, and this lady, I don't want to give out names, and her address is blocked. So, well, you can't see it because it has the custom tape on it. Anyways, she was selling her yarn stash, and I said, yeah, let me jump into it. It's ILTY yarn from Hobby Lobby. As you guys know, Hobby Lobby doesn't ship to Canada, so I said, okay, let me purchase it from her. I thought I would get a great deal, but she sold it for $4 that ball, and then shipping, she said it will cost between $50 to $70. I said, oh my goodness, I didn't want to back up, right? I'm not that kind of a person. If I say yes, I will finish it to the end. So it looks like when she said $70, I said, oh my goodness, let me try. Because I was selling my yarn, and this buyer, she mentioned about a third party. So I searched it up while I was talking to the yarn seller. DYK Post, they have a office in Edmonton. This video is mostly for Canadians. I would highly recommend if you want to go for it. I don't know, but I didn't save up money for sure. So I paid around $200 with the yarn and the shipping in Canadian. So she paid $50, well, $49.35 American dollars. So that's about $65, I believe, in Canadian. And I paid $38.59 to pick up the package, and it was delivered yesterday. And then I got an email. I'm jumping up and down. It took me 1 hour to drive from where I live to pick up the package. Is it worth it? No, not for me, because this cost me over $100 to have this shipped to me. And it's 13 pounds, it says. So, yeah, this is not worth it at all. So I will try it. In May, they're going to open a new location where I live. Definitely then I will try to buy it from Hobby Lobby when they have the free shipping, so I don't have to pay shipping. So what happens is, this company, actually it's called Montana. What was the name? It's the Montana mailbox. It gets delivered. So they gave me this address. Can you see it? So they gave me this address, and it was shipped to this address in Montana, Sweetgrass. And then this company, well, the thing is, this is the first time I'm using their service, right? And customer service was terrible. First time I called, the girl didn't have a clue. She said it's going to be shipped to Edmonton, which it didn't. I waited for 3 weeks, then I called again, and finally I had a better customer service. And then she told me that I need to prove how much I paid. And I sent my PayPal invoice, screenshot, the conversation with the yarn seller who was destashing her yarn. So I paid, well, it was in their mailbox for 3 weeks, unfortunately. Next time I know, right? So for 3 weeks, I paid $12.80. Okay. And then it went to customs, so they paid custom fee as well. So that's, everything is included. So I paid $38. Here's my receipt, $38.59. So this cost me over $100. I will go with this company, yes, when I see a free shipping to this address, because I don't want to pay $50 for shipping, right? That's too much. And then plus I have to pay this, but it's going to be less because I paid 3 weeks of rental fee for the mailbox. If you subtract that, the amount is going to go lower. Can you see? Subtotal was $22. If you subtracted $12.80, so it would be $10 plus customs tax, GST, warehouse fee. There's so many fees on top. Yeah, it goes on forever. I saw so many people drop packages when I was there, so I thought, wow. Yeah, so they're going to open a new location where I live on the north side. Here's where I live close by, coming soon. She said May. I will call them when they do, because I don't want to drive half an hour, right? Okay, so let's do the unboxing with you. I don't know what's inside because I forgot. It's been 4 weeks. Okay. So, let me have this. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it. I'm just so excited. So this cost me over $100 to ship. Okay. Let me see the back. So the mailbox is called Montana Mailbox. And it went to the address that the Montana office gave me. Oh my goodness. Oh, ILTY. Can you see? Oh my. Look at this. First time touching these. Well, I bought this from Turkey. Remember, I did unboxing. So I was selling these because I bought so many. And I bought whatever she had, I took it again. So this is nice. They're super soft. These would work great for baby garments. They're so soft, super soft to the neck. I think there's 27 balls. Let's count. So this one is called Focus. City Beat. They're all made in Turkey. I couldn't find these in Turkey. Oh, the only one that I found was this. And I am waiting for a package since January. It's stuck somewhere. It doesn't show that it arrived to Canada. So I bought different colors of ILTY yarn from that seller, but unfortunately I haven't received it. This is nice. Same color. Okay. This was called Fruit Salad. Oh, nice. These look great on hats, baby garments. They're super soft. Oh, there's lots of this. City Beat. Another City Beat. Okay, look. See, these don't feel like Red Heart Saver. Peacock tails. This is the number. Perfect. Oh my goodness. So there's 2 balls of this. Here's another fruit salad. Here's a different color. Oh, this is nice. It reminds me of the 90s. What's this name? Cinnamon cedar. Oh, yeah, I heard about this color. Cinnamon cedar. Here's oh, this is not, oh, look at this. Look at the color. Look at the colors. Oh my, yellow, salmon color, gray. Perfect. Belladonna. Donna. Lovely. These are all 4 weights. For medium. See? Nice. Never saw that color. Oh, here's another one. Let me dump this box. I'll be right back. Okay, so there's total of 27 balls. And I love this color. I think this looks like it's called Blossom police, blossom police, polis, blossom, blossomopolis. It's a fun, really nice. I really like the color. There's only 2 balls of this, so there's total 27, and then she sent an extra, so it's been used. So she sent also this one. Very nice, very nice. So this cost me around $250 Canadian dollars. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to check it with, yeah, it cost a lot. It cost a lot. I'm just looking. I think this is my favorite. If you look at the colors, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Very soft. Very good quality. I just can't believe how the quality is. Belladonna. Not this one, because there's so many colorways with this. What was it? Peacock? Peacock tails, yeah. There's lots of yarn dyed by this color, this variegated color. So these 2 tweeds, I believe that's what it's called, right? Tweeds. And fruit salad and dizzle me this. So 2 balls each. Yeah, I can try it out, and if I like it, I can always go back and order more. But this is the first time I'm using DYK post service. But yeah, for next time I would be more cautious, because then I just need to send a proof to how much I paid, and that's it. And well, this is one of my favorite always. It's going to be my favorite the rest of my life. I don't know why. I just love this colorway. Again, it's Painted Canyon, and this color is very popular. I sold a lot of this that I ordered through Turkey. Yeah. So I just wanted to City Beat. I think I showed this, didn't I? I'm not quite sure. City Beat. Just love these colors. But again, my favorites are these 2, and of course that. I wouldn't go back and buy maybe the peach salmon color again. Look at this. This is nice. Again, it reminds me of the 90s for some reason. Nice. Yeah. So I just wanted to share what I went through. It's not easy when you're ordering yarn from other countries, even from Canada. It takes at least 10 days to arrive. It depends on how they ship it, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I'm thrilled. For Canadians, if you want to go through them, I'm sure there's other company on the east side, but in Canada, I think this is the only company who delivers to like a third party. And first time trying these, but again, it's not cheap. That's all I'm saying. Like, I paid $38.59 on top of what I paid through for it to deliver to the mailbox in Montana. Yeah, it's nice to see and touch these yarn, because other than that, we just look at the pictures when we see them. Lovely, lovely. Look at these colors. Oh my goodness. When I look at this yarn, it reminds me of this, the cones that I bought from Crochet ILTY. Yeah, check out my yarn hauling, but I haven't opened the bag. See See, I opened this one. It looks like it's thin. See? But when I open it, it is a 4-weight. That's what I'm trying to figure out. And I have knit this on my Addy knitting machine. Look at these tags. Check out where I bought them. I just posted them. I received them recently. So when you look at it, it gives me the same texture. That's what I'm trying to say. So I am still hunting cheaper, like low, to pay less money than what I already paid. Like $2.50. I think this is a lot. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's for us Canadians. I think it's a lot of money. I don't know. But when I'm looking at it, it feels like it's the same yarn. Maybe a little bit thicker. I'm not quite sure, but yeah. So I'm always comparing. Like this has no name on it, but the most important for me is the yarn quality, right? And when I'm looking at the yarn, it feels like it's a 4-weight. And when I knit it up, my Addy knitting machine loved it. So I'm just trying to find the best quality and for a good price. So that's all I'm going to say. I am thrilled to receive these yarns. You know, a yarn lover being a yarn hoarder, of course. I think I have to put a stop because my husband and my son are getting agitated. They're getting mad at me. They keep on saying, "There's no room, there's no room." Well, yeah, the house, I'm waiting. I received 2 more packages. I'm going to unbox those. And then 2 more is coming tomorrow. And I have 2 more that's going to be shipped. I haven't bought or told anyone that I want this yet. Other than it's hard to be a yarn hoarder. Okay, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm just puzzled because of the price, right? Shipping, because originally she said it will cost you $50 to $70 to ship to Canada. I wish I went with that. This way it cost me more, unfortunately. Yeah, even to ship to Montana, like this is a lot of money. I'm just looking at the fee here she paid. This is how much she paid. Like that's a lot of money. $49.35. This is an American, and when you round it up, that's a lot of money for 13 pounds. It says. Well, the box, yeah. If I were her, I wouldn't ship it with a box. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I'm going to do another unboxing. I'm really tired, actually. This is my second unboxing today. And I get excited, right? The other 2 are downstairs. I'm going to do it downstairs because they're 30 kilograms. 3 times 2, they're about over 60 pounds, 1 box. So I didn't bother bringing them up. I will unbox them downstairs and I'll take bags. And I'll see you guys later. Talk to you soon. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. I am going to celebrate as soon as I hit my 30,000. I just have a little bit of maybe 200 left. If I get 2 more subscribers, I'm going to end. Plus I hit my 500 YouTube videos that I have posted. I received that from YouTube, so I'm super thrilled to receive them. That email. So stay tuned for my next unboxing. And yeah, like I said, I'm going to celebrate my yarn giveaway. That's all I do. And I might put some knitting. If you want to learn how to knit, I'm going to put some knitting needles. Because I have a couple that I don't use. And I want others to use it, right? Okay, well, stay tuned for my next yarn unboxing. Talk to you later, everybody. Take care.